advertise for my surgery. Clean on the teeth, good. I'm gonna do it at home, but it's not the same. Good morning. Morning, Mrs.
Good morning, sorry.
So, I'm gonna change. Good morning, Aura.
Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah,
I'm gonna be rich, Aura.
I know, another day.
Manifest, Aura. Oh, this is yours. People me always I tell Aura, me did I tell them on the phone, so me always I say me I go rich. Every day me I go rich. I'm gonna change, guys, so you can see me. Thank you for joining my life. What do you do for work? I'm a dental nurse. I assist with the teeth. Got to have clean, nice teeth, no decay. Stop eating sugar. Go to your dentist, have your hygiene clean at least once a year. Should be twice a year, but if you can't afford it, you do it once a year. And say good morning to Aura for me. Aura, somebody say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
She say good morning, DJ Steel. I'm gonna start working. I don't have no rich mother. I don't have no rich father. I don't have no rich uncle. Girl got to work. Going up? Bye, Aura.
Bye, bye. See you
I'm
later.
gonna be rich.
I know.
She said, I know.
I know you're gonna be.
Of course, my friend. My friend believe in me, you know. When I say, Aura, believe in me, Aura, believe in me. Any day I say, Aura, I'm going to be rich. I'm on entire Aura. I believe you. Put up back my clothes. You know, I could have wear ordinary clothes come to work. See, my Anna hurt me, you know. And I still have to come to work. I'm not going to make my Anna hurt me. That's why I'm good morning. Where you at? I need an appointment, bad. I'm not pay you no mind. You're trouble. Have a lovely day and I see you soon. I'm gonna get ready for work myself. Okay, DJ, still, what kind of work you do? If you don't mind, can you ask me? Let me ask you back. What kind of work you do? So I have my water. I carry my natural blueberry. I have some natural blueberry and ginger. I drink this morning. And I carry one bag of fruits. I have peach. And I have apple. And I have tangerine. And I have one pear. So I depend a real thing. I depend a real thing you eat already for true. I depend one diet. Cause I go Jamaica one day and I tell you say the belly big for me. Big belly pan me. And I said to myself when I come back over, I sort myself out. Cause I don't like them belly business there. I answer you. You answer me? I am a courier. Okay. Good. Yeah, make money. That they don't know. I can't go live with anybody. I'm getting ready to start work. I'm just gonna get ready. When I see me Anna hurt me, I'm off for work. So I don't want nobody call me or bother me. And I beg me when I go work too. Due to patient confidentiality, I have to get off live and I will come back soon because today I am going to have a hygiene clean.
And then we do it, don't worry.
Okay.
You'll be very gentle today. Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Una, for my hygiene clean. And thank you, Mrs. Annabelle. You know, we have to ask permission to use the surgery. I'm gonna have my teeth polished. See, I cleaned them, so now it's gonna polish. Gonna I have my teeth polished. Thinking about having your hygiene clean today? At least once a year or twice a year. Get your teeth clean. That's gonna kill me. Alicia, you're not working. We had a little spare time, that's why. So, Mrs. Annabelle, if you're watching, we have a little spare time, that's why. You see, not because you work at the dentist, you still have to brush your teeth, you still have to clean your teeth. I'm going upstairs in the sterilizer room. It's good to have your teeth clean at least once a year. Twice a year if you can afford it. Because plaque and tartar, it do builds up even though you brush your teeth, floss your teeth. You need professional cleaning at least once a year or twice a year. You understand? So get your teeth clean. I just got mine clean. They even look whiter, which is good and smooth. Get your teeth clean. My hand hurt me, no. See? My hand hurt me, but girl got to work. Okay? So what you guys doing today? I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna get off the line because I'm going to do some work. Yeah, so they're nice and clean. But God, girl, now stop smiling today. Her teeth clean. Say cheese. And I got tired of my teeth today. That girl teeth clean and feel fresh. We'll see which dentist working and I will let you know. Thank you for the like. Let me reach 1,000 like and then I'll come off the live. I'm going back downstairs. Tap, 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 tap. You too? Tap, 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 tap. I need the Canadian woman. How old is the Canadian woman? Oh, you need the Canadian woman. I think she's busy. I will check the appointment book for you and I reach 1,000 likes. Girl, gonna go now. So thank you for liking my live and I will see you at 1 o'clock. So bye. See you next time. Say cheese. Now advertise for my surgery on a compression of teeth. Clean on the teeth, good. I'm gonna do it at home, but it's not the same.